Forgotten username recovery failed on TrueLayer Investments Fix. If you're trying to recover your TrueLayer username and the process keeps failing, don't stress, this happens more often than you'd think. The surprising truth is that TrueLayer has phased out traditional username-based logins in favor of a secure email and API link system. That means there's no separate username to recover anymore. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the TrueLayer login page or the portal you use for your investment or developer account. Instead of entering a username, use your registered email address. This email is your key to accessing everything connected to TrueLayer. Step 2. If you can't remember which email you used, search your inbox for previous emails from TrueLayer. You may find confirmation messages, API notifications, or account setup emails that show exactly which address is linked. Step 3. If your password doesn't work, click Forgot Password. A reset link will be sent to your email. Check your spam and junk folders if you don't see it right away. Step 4. If the system still does recognize your details, contact TrueLayer support directly. Include your name, business name if applicable, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. They can confirm your registered email and help you restore access securely. Many users think their account was deleted or locked, but that's rarely the case. TrueLayer's platform simply runs on modern authentication, meaning your email or linked app credentials act as your ID. So, the next time your recovery attempt fails, remember, there's no username to recover. Just verify your email and reset your password, and you'll regain access to your TrueLayer account in no time.